Hey, this is Jesse with Kryptonite Products. Today I'm going to teach you how to install Kryptonite Products shock extensions for your 2011 and up GM HD trucks. Start by removing the wheel. Now that you have access to the suspension, go ahead and remove the 2 bolts on the top of the shock. Then remove the bottom bolt and pull the shock out of the truck. Now remove the studs on your shocks. Now measure the extended shock length. As you can see, this shock is 18.5 inches fully extended. So next you will measure the mount distance at full droop, which is 19 5/8 on this truck. Now subtract the shock length from the mounting distances to get the measurement for how many spacers you will need. If you are close to 1 inch, you will use 2 spacers. If you are close to 1/2 inch, you will use 1 spacer. The goal is to be within 1/4 inch of your full droop measurement. As you can see, this shock with 2 spacers measures out to 19.5 inches, which is within the 1/4 inch margin. Now throw the shocks back in with the spacers and install the nuts on your upper bolts. You will torque these nuts after you install the lower bolt. Next, install the bottom bolt and tighten everything down. Next, torque the upper bolts down to 48 foot-pounds. Then torque the lower bolt down to 118 foot-pounds. Throw your wheel back on and tighten your lug nuts to the proper specifications. And that's how you properly install your shock extensions on your 2011 and up GM HD trucks. If you have any questions, please feel free to call or click online at kryptoniteproducts.com.